Hi, I'm Red, the Cooking Dad, and welcome back to my channel. Lately, I've been making a lot of French macarons, and I've only been using egg whites. So I've always been wondering what should I do with this egg yolks. And if you're like me and wanted to know what recipe you can use egg yolks, then this video is for you. Today, I'm gonna make the Filipino dessert lecheflan or flan, which uses egg yolks as its main ingredient. But first, if this is your first time visiting my channel, please click on the subscribe button if you want to know how to cook easy, simple, but delicious dishes. Click on the notification so that you get notified when I upload amazing videos. Now, back to the video.
If you like this video, smash that like button. How about 1,000 likes, please? Turn on notifications and please subscribe. See you soon!